Our 1/3 container pans for our sandwich prep tables. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 7 inches, a depth of 12 3/4 inches, and a height we have 7 3/4 inches tall. Lid can be removed, and the inside we have the interior with the dimensions measuring 5 3/4 inches in length, 11 1/2 inches in depth by 7 3/4 inches in height. Coming to the bottom of the pan, we have the NSF certification. And on one side will be an indicator in liters, with 1 being the least and 6 being the maximum. And on the other side, we have indicators in quarts, with 1 being the least and 7 being the maximum. These pans can be purchased through Cooler Depot and will coincide and will fit all our sandwich prep table models. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.